So good afternoon, class 7. Today we are going to revise worksheet number 20 related to chapter number 10. So let's start with this worksheet. First of all, MCQs are there. So tick the most appropriate answer. First is the process of respiration involved two main steps. These are, so we have to choose Pulkit Mathur. Yes.
Ma'am, C, breathing and cellular respiration.
Okay, this is the type of respiration involves, the process of respiration involves two main steps. That is breathing.
Ma'am,
And
answer is C.
answer is C part, breathing and cellular respiration. Anybody else want to say anything? Is it a correct answer, C part?
Yes, ma'am, because if the respiration takes place in the cells, then only the energy will be formed.
Yes. So answer C part is correct. Number 2, which of these organisms use tracheal tubes and spiracles for respiration?
Ma'am, an insect.
Okay. And can I have the answer that what fish uses
Ma'am,
Gills,
gills? Frog?
gills.
moist skin, and
they also and lungs.
Yes, moist skin in the water and lungs on the land. And earthworm, it uses the moist skin. Yes. Number 3, kindly raise your hand, children. Animals can absorb oxygen dissolved in water through Javardhan. Yes, Javardhan, give the answer.
Gills.
Children, I had told you to kindly raise your hand. Otherwise, your answer gets mixed match.
My answer will be gills.
Okay. Number 4, what forms the floor of chest cavity? So I think you know diaphragm is there. Number 5, there is an air sac or alveolus at the end of each.
Bronchiole.
It will be bronchioles. Lactic acid are produced in muscles when the
They do not get enough oxygen.
Ma'am, they do not get enough oxygen.
A part.
Ma'am, they do not get enough oxygen.
Ma'am, they do not get enough oxygen.
formation of vinegar is because of dash respiration. Digitally, you have to raise your hand. Yes, Swastik.
Ma'am, can I please?
Anaerobic respiration, as organisms like yeast are formed in the vinegar, they respire anaerobically and the vinegar is formed.
Anaerobic respiration. The structure responsible for speaking is the Strajal.
Larynx.
Yes, it is larynx. Larynx. Next. Oh, number 3, but by mistake I had written number 3. इसको remove कर लो. Next is the open areas in the bark of a tree is known as. Anybody? Any idea? Yes, tell me. The open areas in the bark of a tree are known as. Yes, Swastik, do you know the answer? Yes, anybody among
I
you?
think botany.
No, botany is not.
Ma'am, botany is the study.
Yes, friend.
Ma'am, Rhytidome is a dead phloem.
Yes. So children, when you will be studying this botany, you will get to know about these deep points. Next, the earthworm has a dash skin to help to respire. So children, you have raised hand. Rest also can raise hand. Anupriya, give the answer.
Moist skin.
That will be a moist skin. Okay, birds respire through Pulkit. Yes, Pulkit Mathur. How birds respire? Through. Yes. Lungs. Number 6, opening on the surface of the leaves that help for the exchange of gases. Stomata. Next is correct the following statement. Complete breakdown of food takes place during anaerobic respiration. So what's wrong over here? Yes, Avika. Jayvardhan.
Anaerobic respiration is wrong. Aerobic respiration.
So instead of anaerobic, here will be a aerobic respiration. Yes. Instead of anaerobic. Instead of aerobic, AE आएगा. Okay. Next is during heavy exercise. Yes, Pulkit. The breathing rate slows down. What will happen to the breathing rate? Whether it will be slow down?
No, ma'am. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate fast.
That will get fast. Breathing rate will increase, or you can say breathing rate will increase. Okay.
Mom, if we are jogging, then it can be fast. But mom, in any case, it can be slow.
Yes, of course. You are sitting, you are sleeping. The breathing rate gets slow. When you are at rest, you are not moving, not doing anything. So I hope children, everybody has done this.
But mom, it will be considered in the normal one.
Yes. Next E part, very short answer type questions. Aditya developed cramps in his leg due to the heavy exercise. He is feeling pain while walking. Suggest him a method to get relief of these plants. Yes, Swastik.
He can go for a massage or he can bath
Take
in
a hot
hot
water.
water.
Yes. Yes, Vihan Bajaj, can I have the answer? Vihan, unmute. Vihan, unmute. Jia, can you repeat the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Of this question number 1, what's the answer for it? This one. So how
To
we
get
can get
relief
relief?
from
Yes.
cramps, we can use hot water or hot bag for give relief of our muscles from
Hot
cramps.
hot water bath, or we can give a massage. Okay, next
Okay.
is what is a breath? Breath or a breath? When we considered a one breath.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the air taken
That's
into
the
and
affected area.
expelled from the lungs.
Okay, anybody
When
else?
the air taken into or expelled from the lungs.
Yes, Avika. और क्या नाम है इसका?
Ma'am,
जयवर्धन.
ma'am, breath means.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
speak
breath
out.
means one. Ma'am, a breath means one inhalation plus one exhalation.
Yes,
Only
one breath will be counted when there is one inhalation and one exhalation. Then it will be considered as one breath. Next is Manjula took some lime water in a test tube. With the help of a straw, she then exhaled air into it. After a few minutes, she found that the lime water turns milky. What does this activity shows? It's very, very important question is there. Yes, Jia, can I have an answer? Pulkit Mathur, not able to hear you, beta. So
Can I
as,
tell ma'am answer?
yes, okay, tell. Rest children also, Dhavanya, Gaurav, Atharv.
with the this whole experiment has to show that there is presence of carbon dioxide or not.
Yes. Vehan Bajaj, can I have the
Ma'am,
answer
can I
from
tell?
your side?
When
Jia.
she take lime
Okay, okay.
water
Okay, fine,
and it
Pulkit,
turns
fine, better,
to
fine.
milky,
Next,
it
Jia, you can
shows
continue.
that
Jia, give the answer. Or
Yes,
Vehan?
ma'am. The activity shows that the carbon dioxide passes through the lime water so that the lime water turns into milky.
Yes, because this activity shows the presence of lime water. Vehan, I am asking the questions to you, but you are not replying. Why it is so? Next, why are gills well supplied with the blood vessels? Why it is so? What can be the answer? This question is in your book even. Okay. Yes. Give the answer for this. Yes, Sharvil?
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, sure.
Some gills are well supplied with blood vessels for exchange of gases.
Yes. So very simple answer for that is that uh, water or aquatic animals have the gills which are well supplied because for the exchange of gases. So kindly write down, children. Keep on writing. And Arav Sharma, go for the answer of question number 3. Yes, Arav Sharma, read the question.
May I tell answer 3?
Wait. Arav,
How does
unmute.
fluffing?
Yes,
How does fluffing
it's flowing.
flowing a field affect respiration in plants?
You must have seen that plants, whenever you plant, that put a plant in the pot, you make it loose. You lose the soil. What's the reason behind it? That is known as a plowing. Plowing is to make soil loose. Why that is done? Anybody? Anshika Single, Jayavardhan, Vehan. Why the loosening of soil is done? Hiryanshi, Lakshya Chandra, Dhavanya, Anupriya, Gaurav, Anantanadi. Yes. What can be the answer? Why that
Ma'am, can I tell Dhavanya?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Dhavanya.
can I tell?
Ma'am, the flowing of soil is done so that, ma'am, the oxygen can pass through it.
For the exchange of gases. Yes, Swastik, you can rectify.
Ma'am, plowing affect the respiration of plants in many ways.
Hmm.
The plowing changes the position of a plant
Hmm.
and it affects the respiration.
Because you know the plants respire. So that helps in respiration. Okay. And if the soil become loose, that becomes helpful. The plants can grow and all the minerals get mixed if you are plowing the soil. The lower soil comes upward and upper soil goes downwards. So this is the reason behind it. The respiration becomes easy. The air can circulate easily in the soil. Number 4 is
And when we blow, so there are the air pockets and in which it is possible for plants to breathe, respire easily.
yes, that becomes easy for the plants. Otherwise, sometimes you have seen if you are not flowing, what happens? The water logging is there. The water gets logged. Okay. Next, number 8th question. Shalini read in the newspaper that there has been an increase in the number of teenage smokers in the last 5 years. She made poster to spread awareness among the people in her area about the ill effects of smoking. So can I have the few ill effects of smoking? Kindly raise your hand, children. Yes, Javardhan. After that, Jia, and after that, Sharvil will give the answer of the same question.
Smoking causes disease like cancer in lungs.
Okay. Jia?
Ma'am, I have also the same answer.
Yes, you give the answer, beta. Supply.
Ma'am, the effect caused by smoking are cancer and other are the breathing problem.
Okay. So children, with this, you are
May I give